There are several ways to upload a PDF file on Canva. The first way is to click on Upload from the Canva homepage, then select Choose Files. From there, choose your PDF file, then click Upload. Your file will show in the Recent Designs. Just click on it. Then you can start edit your file. Next, I will show you another way to upload a file. Select Upload. Then click Upload Files. Select your PDF file, then upload. You can see it's uploading. When it's done, click on the Projects button. The files you upload will appear here. Or you can simply drag and drop your file here. That will do the same thing. Hope you liked today's video. Goodbye.